So there is an issue that is occurring here, and it is about property. So Mayeni has these demands that she is placing before Musa Mseleku, and it is that she wants her own family property that is away from Mzumbe. And the reason for that is that Mayeni no longer wants to keep on mixing with these different wives and girlfriends. So she wants her own property, that is separate from all of these other wives. But what is surprising to me in Mayeni, being open to having her own family property away from these other wives, she is actually open to the idea of sharing the husband, but not the family property. It doesn't make sense. If you are willing to share the husband, then you should be prepared to share this family property, because Mayeni is in a polygamous marriage. And when you are in a polygamous marriage, obviously you share everything, the family property, the husband, everything. That is what basically polygamy is all about. But Mayeni is now setting the rules and saying, let's share the husband, but not the family property. So Mayeni now wants her own property that is away from these other wives. So what can we see from Mayeni here is that she is setting an emotional and physical boundaries by saying that she wants her own family property away from Mzumbe. That's like a physical boundary to say that when I now have my own property, I don't want to see any of these other wives coming here. So what that means is that it's Musa Mseleku who will be visiting Mayeni, not the other way around. Mayeni herself will no longer be going to Musa Mseleku. Yes, it's still polygamous, but Mayeni is now setting up her own rules. Because the challenge is that in polygamy, the idea of sharing the household itself, it symbolizes unity and a collective identity of being the Mselekus. But Mayeni's desire to live separately, it's reflecting her rejection of this idea of a polygamous wife, you know what I'm saying? So she is asserting an autonomy in a rebellious form, you know what I'm saying? So her honesty is, it's refreshing, but it also shows that a family system of this Mseleku is starting to break into pieces bit by bit.